Forensiq Fraud Lab is here to help you understand advertising fraud so you can prevent it. By 2022, ad fraud could account for nearly $44 billion in losses, with mobile a large part of that. Since advertisers are investing more in mobile than all other digital channels combined, fraudsters are targeting mobile ad spend with advanced techniques. Firstly, there was mobile device hijacking. Usually, an app user would see no more than a handful of ad impressions in a minute, but when the device has been hijacked, a fraudster loads unseen impressions in the phone's background, and the phone generates an impossibly high impression count. When fraud detection solutions like Forensiq made device hijacking uneconomical, fraudsters moved to bundle ID spoofing. A bundle ID is a unique code that identifies an app on a mobile device. A malicious publisher misrepresents its bundle ID as many premium apps, which allows it to command a higher price from advertisers and go undetected. Since the fraudulent app can send out any number of fake bundle IDs, ad impressions from one user are multiplied. Except no one uses that many ad-generating apps in a minute. The solution? Pattern analysis at the user level. But fraudsters are adaptive. They also use device ID spoofing, where an unknown source disguises itself as a known source. But in this case, device ID spoofing is layered on top of bundle ID spoofing, which makes it look like many devices are sending requests across many different publishers. This distributed technique more closely emulates human app engagement and creates a sorted SIVT that's difficult to detect. But if you employ a clustering-based machine learning approach to consolidate abnormal patterns, you can see that the malicious activity is coming from one device and it's clearly fraud. Advertisers need an advanced fraud solution that's been developed with deep mobile expertise. Forensiq offers dedicated in-app solutions built and optimized on an immense data footprint, leveraging robust tools and providing transparent risk scores that classify fraud type for each flagged event. Retrofitting desktop methodologies just doesn't work. Secure your mobile ad spend with Forensiq, your digital armor.